God is watching you.
Matthew Isaiah Leviticus, a young janitor at Cityside Church, was mopping up a holy water spill when suddenly he slipped and was knocked unconscious. A trail of high-octane holy water made its way into his ear canal, making him... Bible Dude!
Bible Dude, Bible Dude, gets you into a praying mood. He can soar through the air like the Red Sea. He parts his hair. Here comes that Bible Dude.
Tonight's episode, woe to thee that spoilest, and thou wast not spoiled, and dealt treacherously, and they dealt not treacherously with thee. Amen.
It's the boss. Good morning, Jesus.
Sup, Matthew? Here's the deal. There's a party going down at 146 Pretty Bird Lane, and it's a teen party.
Teens, you say? Well, that spells trouble. And temptation.
Wait, it gets heavier. These teens don't have any adult supervision then.
I'm on it, boss. Excuse me.
Hey, man, hurry up.
I'm going as fast as I can, Jesus. Cripes.
God is in my high school locker next to my books. That's right, he comes with me and lets me see that sex before marriage is bad.
Hey, you guys, I know we shouldn't, but let's sneak into the Henderson's kitchen and make candied apples.
Yeah!
Yo, I got a better idea.
Wine?
I'm starting a cool club right now. To be in it, you gotta take a sip. Judah, you first.
But I promised my prayer group I would.
I'll take a sip. I'm cool.
Wait. I'm cool, too. I'm really cool. Bible Dude!
Hi, teens. Judah, before you partake of that wine, why don't you partake of this? Isaiah 30, verse 26. The oxen likewise and the young asses that hear the ground shall eat clean provender, which hath been winnoweth with the shovel and with the fan.
Wow. I never thought of it like that before. I don't ever want to drink.
Me neither.
Wait a minute. That Bible verse didn't have anything to do with drinking. Didn't even make any sense.
Not to you, Satan's best friend. See you in heaven. Not.
You turned my wine into water. I hate you, Bible Dude.
Thanks, Bible Dude.
Oh, I can't take credit for that. That was just God's love.
Yay! God is so cool. And the best part is, I know that he loves me even though I'm gay.